A unit of time, typically 365 or 366 days. Action have, in a year, during the year, per year, every year. I plan to visit my family in a year. The company aims to grow by 10% during the year. The average salary increase is 5% per year. They celebrate their anniversary every year. To indicate a specific year in 2023 by the year 2025, in the past year, this year, the project will be completed in 2023. They expect to finish the construction by the year 2025. The company had a record profit in the past year. I have several goals this year. To express age or duration of life at the age of number years in their number the year. She started learning piano at the age of 5 years. He is now in his 30th year of service with the company. To refer to events, activities, or conditions related to a specific year, year-round, all year, for years. The resort is open year-round. We have been working together all year. I've been a fan of this band for years. To denote the calendar year or academic year, school year, fiscal year, calendar year, academic year, the new school year starts in September. The company's fiscal year ends in June. They finished the project in the calendar year 2022. The students will graduate in the academic year 2024. Common collocations with year, this year, next year, last year, every year. This year, we aim to reduce costs by 10%. I'm planning to travel next year. Last year, the company reached a record high in revenue. We hold this event every year.